Okay, this is Palmer Divide Sirens, and here we have the return of the miniature T-128. So, at the latter part of last year, this unit had begun to fail, and what had happened was we were having a bad core with the Siren. More specifically here, right here, this was going bad, so I was sent a replacement for it, but still we were having some issues with it. So I sent it back to BSC Productions. He's the one who repaired this. Well, he's the one who made it too, but he fixed it and sent it back to me, and it works like a dream now. As you can see here, we do have a change. It's on this base to kind of help stabilize it a little bit better than the original base that it was on. So the point of this video is just to go ahead and enjoy this and also kind of show some changes that were made to this. So the first videos I made with this Siren, it ran off of a 5-volt DC USB power supply. So seen right here, this was the end of the the power cord for the Siren, but as we transitioned to the different motor, it required a higher voltage, so went ahead and got an adapter for the USB side right here that connects to this, which is a 9-volt 2-amp power supply. So this now runs off at 9 volts rather than just 5. So yeah, those are the updates, and I think it's about time we hear this thing run. I'm going to be running it off of my AF timer here. I'm not going to do for an incredible long amount of time because we got stuff to do and it's getting late, but let's go ahead and at least do a little bit of alert and a little bit of attack. Let's see how this thing sounds here. So we'll start off with alert and end with attack. So here we go. So the reason why I did that little last growl, that short alert, is because I wanted the horn to be in a different position on the base. It had been facing the same position for quite some time, so I just wanted to reposition it. Because you could see, the only thing about this is the horn is so heavy, it kind of makes the base a little uneven, so it kind of tilts down. I mean, it's a little easier to see from behind like that, but anyways, doesn't seem to alter the operation at all, so that's good. But that is the return of the miniature T-128. Hopefully I'll make more videos of it. Definitely going to be doing some outside videos, but thanks for watching.